We are at the James Island Campground. This is the fishing dock. Hey, Dakota. And the end of the fishing pier. Campground's over there. See the causeway in the background to get to James Island.
It's a very well manicured park. Very clean.
Beside camp here, they do have laundry facilities, $3 to wash, $3 for the dryer. Campground's pretty clean. There's a water park right next to it. Lots of hiking trails.
How much was it for the full hookup?
And it was $65 for the full hookup. So we recommend it. St. James Island,